Hello, my name's Mike Stevens with HTML Fox, partnering with Dave Edits Video. Today we have a quick tip, and it's about emails, professional business emails, and email marketing. We'll start with email marketing. So if you're in business today, an inexpensive way to promote your business, your products and services, is with email marketing, but you will need an email list. So if you're a brand new business, that might be hard. You don't have enough emails to do a big email marketing blast, a send. You can purchase email lists. You can acquire them different ways. But if you've been in business for a while and part of your sales gathering information process is emails, you should have an email list, which is really good. And if you want to send out a mass email blast, you can put all those emails in, create your message, and send them to everybody. And but the reason for this quick tip is there's a proper way to do this, and another way that's not the right way, which can get you in a lot of trouble. So the proper way is to use a email client such as GoDaddy. He has an email marketing program, MailChimp. There's a few others, and they're all set up correctly. And what I mean by set up correctly is you don't want to use your email, even if it's a professional business email, and copy and paste everybody's emails into the email field. And you can do that, and you can hit send, and everybody gets your email. The problem is everyone can see all the other emails, and that is a big no-no. If you can do that and you can get away with it for a while, but you will eventually be blocked. Let's just say, for instance, you're using Gmail, or you're using a Yahoo email, or you're using an MSN email. It doesn't matter which one you use. If you copy and paste everybody's emails into the email field and then you send it out and everyone can see all the other emails, it might be going to AT&T. The receivers might have an AT&T email, or they might have a SBC Global email, MSN, Outlook, Gmail. These are the people that's receiving your email blast. Your server will get blocked so that they won't receive any future emails from you until you fix that problem. They're real strict on this. You do not get a notification that your server's blocked. It'll just be blocked. So the next email that you send out, they won't be getting it. If you do your invoicing this way, they won't receive the invoice. You won't receive the payment. You're going to send them a late notice. They won't receive that if you do it by email. And it'll just snowball to where eventually you're going to call them and say, you never made a payment. It's been 3 months late. And they're going to say, we never got your invoice. And you're going to discover that they're not getting your emails, your server's blocked, and now what do you do? So there's no one to call. You can't call SBC Global and AT&T and MSN and Yahoo and all of them and say, unblock us. So the way it gets fixed is you have to fix the problem on your end and send out emails, mass emails, the proper way, where they don't see everybody else's emails. They only see theirs and yours. And that's why you have the GoDaddy email marketing or the MailChimp or a professional email marketing service. That's why you use those people, those services. So you have to do it the right way, and over some time, and if you're fortunate, it takes a month or two, but it takes a little bit of time. You have to start doing it the right way, and now your emails are going to be unblocked by all the other email clients. And but the best thing is don't put yourself in that position. You got to pay a little bit of money for these services, but if you're in business, you have to do things the right way. So to avoid these problems, just pay a little bit of money, do it the right way, and eliminate all these headaches. So that's email marketing. The other is I want to talk about your professional business email. And what I mean by that is if your business is Joe's Lawn Care, uh, the cheap free email that you would get, and I don't recommend it, would be joeslawn@gmail.com. joeslawn@msn.com. These are free. They're not business emails. They're just um, basically a personal email that you're making it look like a business email. So you would want to get a professional business email, which would look like joe@joeslawn.care.com or office@joeslawn.care.com or support@joeslawn.care.com. The joeslawn.care.com is the URL, that's your web address, your website address. What you put before the @ symbol is the mailbox that you want the emails to go to or come from. So you have to pay for those. Those are not free. And that's why a lot of small businesses go the free route, which is not professional. And I've talked to different people and they said, well, what does it matter? What do I care? Why should I care? Well, think about your bank. If you do business at Fifth Third Bank or Dollar Bank or whatever, what if they sent you an email that you can deposit $20,000 into a 8% CD, which would be interesting today, but and the email's coming from dollarbank@gmail.com or a Fifth Third Bank at msn.com. Would you feel confident in doing business with them? No, you wouldn't. But if it was investments at dollarbank.com or investments at fifththirdbank.com, you would feel much better. Those are professional business emails. So that's how, when you send out an email, that's people that do business with you, they might not say nothing, but they see that stuff. And you want to give them confidence that you're a real business, you're going to be around a while, and they can hire you, spend money with you, and be at ease. So that's why you want to do things on a professional level. And this is a quick tip, and hope you take it to heart, give it some consideration, and thanks for taking the time to listen to this video. See ya.